Litasi!
Hello, little learners. We're almost at the end of our alphabet journey. Today's letter is the yippee letter, the letter Y. Say it with me. Y, Y, Y. Here's uppercase Y, and it makes the sound ya, like yes. And here's lowercase y. Y is for yogurt, creamy and sweet, yellow, bright and sunny, yo-yo, spin, spin, spin. Let's trace the letter Y in the air. Slanted line going down to the middle. Now go back up and make another slanted line going down to meet the first one. From the middle, draw a straight line down to the bottom. That's a Y.
Y is for yellow, sun and bright, yo-yo spinning, what a delight. Yogurt's yummy, tasty too. Y is the letter just for you.
Yay for Y! You did a wonderful job learning today's letter. Give yourself a big yes! And get ready. Our next letter will be the very last one. Letter Z.